Hello guys, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss rotator cuff force couple. Actually, many persons face injury in shoulder and they are about to face injury or they face injury because they don't know about the concept of rotator cuff, how it balances muscles, okay, which muscles are responsive for balance. Okay, so in short we are discussing today what is rotator force couple and what muscles are important to stabilize and to strengthen. Okay, so first we will talk about what is rotator cuff force couple. Okay, shoulder is a joint where force couple, the concept is applies to stable this shoulder joint and to facilitate the movement. Okay, force couple is applied here. Okay, the force couple is nothing but some muscles in a socket in a joint which creates harmony to make movement easy and to be safe and effective movement. Okay, so here we will see how it works in harmony. Okay, so there are three types of rotator force couples. Okay, first is deltoid rotator cuff force couple, second is anterior posterior rotator cuff force couple, and third is upper lower trapezius and serratus anterior force couple. Okay, so first we are going to discuss about the deltoid rotator cuff force couple. Okay, so in deltoid rotator cuff force couple concept, okay, deltoid muscle creates the movement of humerus in upward and outward motion. Okay, in opposed to this, three muscles which we are calling SIT, subscapularis, infraspinatus and teres minor, are creating movement or working in opposite direction. It means they are creating motion in downward and inward side. Okay, and one other muscle, that is supraspinatus, the work of that is pinching, like it is compressing the joint. Okay, so these all the muscles are working in harmony to create balance and to facilitate the movement. Okay, to create the movement easy. Okay, if let's suppose deltoid is dominant here, okay, and these three muscles SIT are not working or are weak, not functioning, malfunctioning or not working properly, so deltoid will create upward and outward movement. Okay, so it will prone to injury. Okay, the next we have anterior posterior rotator cuff force couple. In anterior positioning, in this concept, in anterior positioning, subscapularis take the role and other two muscles in SIT, infraspinatus and teres minor, take the back. Okay, so these three muscles work in harmony to stabilize the joint. Okay, if one is dominant, let's suppose subscapularis is dominant, so it will create imbalance. Okay, then our shoulder is prone to injury. So that's all for today. We'll meet again in the next video, and you should remind that if any muscle which are creating force coupling are in imbalance or are dominant, so it will create effect on other muscle. Okay, so these muscles should be in harmony, okay, not in imbalance. So that's all for today. Thank you.